Hello. It's working. Hello. Hello. I think it's working. Alright, mate. I am Simon the Blzzard. You may know me from my articles I write in Woman's Realm and Woman's Weekly and a couple of male escort magazines. Today, this is a video of the new President Lincoln 2. I have unfortunately been given to test. Anybody who knows me knows I don't lie, I don't bullshit, and I'm not getting a free radio for advertising this pile of shit. So here we go, President Lincoln 2. I will be using a normal President Lincoln as comparisons, but well, we all know the outcome of this one anyway, but here it is. Look, President Lincoln 2, made in China, probably cost a couple of bags of rice, maybe a dog-eared mattress for the family to sleep on. It's quite nice. You can see the you can hear the plastic rubbing together. Yeah, that's brilliant, that is, yeah. Dead basic, sparse, lots of buttons, knobs, squelch with the ASC thingy, RF power, which needs to be on full, all CBs like it on full, channels, other bits, volume. So here we go, first impressions of the President Lincoln 2, made by Anytone, somebody. It's a bit stiff, hold on. Bloody pliers aren't, no, not these pliers. Just give me a minute. It's just not as loose as these are dead loose, look. It's probably because it's Chinese, look how loose they are. Even that one's not, yeah, they don't. Bloody hell, that was tight. Right, yeah, very nice. I do like that effect there. That's the signal meter. Even when there's nobody on the channel, there is nobody on that frequency. Yeah, it's jumping up and down like a fat bird on a trampoline eating jelly. Bloody crap that is, isn't it, really? It's, yeah. Anyway, it's not bad. The green's nice. You can press these buttons. It does things. Volume's crap. Tells you what volume you're on, look. In case, bloody noise, in case you can't see that big white thing going up and you can't hear it getting louder, it even tells you on there, look. There you go, look. I'm on number 6. Oh, thanks for telling me that one, Qixiang, Anytone. Anyway, very nice looking radio. The plastic is excellent. The noise, not bad. The signal meter's brilliant, I love that. It doesn't jump very often as you move the channel knob round, which is a good thing, because they used to jump something chronic on the Anytones, I mean other radios. You press the button in and that moves this span thing here across, which is pretty good, like the old Lincoln. Not bad at all, really. Yeah. Modes, you got all your modes on it. If you press that, I want to go to AM. I've got to go LSB, CW, PA. Oh look. AM. Oh, I've just bloody gone past it. I've got to press it again a few more times, and there you go, AM. It's a bit of a ball ache when you go past it. Very, very safety orientated. You wouldn't want to crash playing with your buttons, so they've made that very easy to use. Volume going up. I've got the ASC on, look, this squelch. This is really, really good feature because bearing in mind you're driving down the motorway at 120 mile an hour and you want to change the squelch. You turn the squelch and it goes up, and it tells you what it's on. So if I was on, let's say, on here and turn the squelch up, it's number what? Oh, I've got loads of signal. Look, you see that signal? 9+ dB. My squelch is only on number 1, and it's hardly braking. Yeah, that's crap, that is, isn't it? Anyway, other features. It's got built-in echo. Let me turn the other Lincoln on. I've got another Lincoln, but I've got a better one. Oh, put the camera out. There is it. It's there, look. Yeah, it's a proper bloody Lincoln. No crap in here. Right. Echo. I'll do it on 555 because it's like, no, I do it on 525. So we'll have a listen to the audio. We're on AM because obviously AM is going to be legal soon. Hello. Right, it's FM. There you go. Hello. 1, 2. Right, I want to change the echo volume. That's right, you can't change the bloody echo volume. There's no echo volume on it. You can press this button, turn it on and off. Hello, 1, 2, hello. Simon the Blzzard here. Ah, mate. Yeah, can't do a lot. You press it and hold it. You can change your delay to whatever you want. We'll go up to 30. Then you've got to press this mem button, hold it in for 2 seconds. It then goes on to Tyne. I don't think it's near Newcastle, but that's pissing. Crap's gone off. Hold on a minute. Press that again. Press that again. Go on to Tyne, and then alter that to a settings of whatever I want. Oh, press it again to store it, and it goes back to delay. I'll press the mic, yeah. Hello? Hello? Yeah, but I still can't alter the volume, so obviously it's going to sound shit like that when you're talking. But, so anyway, the echo's just a pile of shit. We'll turn that off. Oh, hold on, I've bugged it. That's it. Hello? Right, I did that. Right, the beep's good. Beep's very good. Listen to the beep. Yeah, it's crap as well. To set your beep up, you do this. Oh, and that's the beep on the bloody radio. That's irritating the shit, that is. Right, bleep, menu. There, look. You got to press them in with your fingernails because your fingers are too big to get in any of these little bits and bobs. And you got this. Got off again. That's crap. Right, you press that, and you got to go through all the. No, you haven't. You press it again. And you got this thing here, bapped, that, them, colour. Oh, colour's good. Yeah, let me show you the colour. Green. That's blue. You can't see the writing very well, but that is blue. That's red. It looks orange on the video, but it's actually red, and it looks better on the bloody video. Oh, balls, broke it again. Hold on, it's gone off again. It's not very quick. Green, you see, green's nice. Green's better than it is on the video. I mean, look at the video, look. Yeah, it's not that good. It's better in real life it is on the video anyway. But colours, yeah. Menu again, look, brightness, you can alter the brightness. Like that, look. Yeah, it does loads, look, because up dead bright. You really need it on that to see it, because if you have it on that, it's just crap. Press it again, something else, I don't know what that does either. Reset, beep, you see you can beep, look. Oh, fuck it, it's gone off again. Right. Right, done. I show you the beep, look. You can hear the beep. Right, it's a beep, look. You press that button here, look. And we'll change the beep. We'll go to 400. Press memory store. Yeah, ear tone change. It's good that is, isn't it? It goes up and down with the tones. And if you press it again, and you go to say 420, look, and press store, it hasn't made any difference from 410. Right, 450, store. See, it's bloody same, look, it's not changed, it's crap. So we'll go again. We'll go all up to 500, and we'll press store, look, store. You see what I mean? Bloody crap. Right, it's not messing about now. Go up to 600. 600, and we'll press store. See? Pissy crap. It's absolute shit. If I wanted shit, I would have bought an Anytone. 700. Just go the bloody way. You know, 3,000. Not pissing about now. 3,000. Well, that's changed. So what does that do then? 3,000. Let's go back down to 900. 900. You know what I mean? It's just crap. It's just, you know, waste of bloody money. That needle's still bouncing up and down. Anytone version 4. So I may as well stick to writing articles in ladies' magazines. There you go. Hello. 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 Not calling awesome. Come in, awesome. Oh, that's crap. Right, so we've got, you know, echo, crap. Bleep, crap. The needle. So that's just crap. I'll show you something on FM. If I've got to find FM. Right. Using my other radio as a demonstration. I key up. Watch the signal meter as I key the microphone. Hey up mate, what power you jammer? You see that? You see what I mean? If I never listen to it. 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 2. So that is an FM signal, and the needle is bouncing up and down the radio. Look at that lot. Just see? It's crap. Bearing in mind, right, bearing in mind, the radio is there. 12 inches. Did you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you bloody hear that? The radio, that radio, can you hear that? I'm keying up on another radio, right, which is just here. Yup. Listen. I was keying up on a radio just over 1 foot away. 1 foot. And you heard how good the filtering is and the receiver is. It picks up shit. It's diabolical. Talking to my mate down the road, he's got his burner on, 150 watts. And I got Russians coming in with him as well and spattering crap out the front end of this Lincoln because it's just crap. So anyway, let's go and have a listen somewhere else. Let's go up to 555. Don't know how it's mode again. Oh shit, I've just gone past it again. Oh, friggin' hell. USB. There you go. Now in a minute I'll go on to my other Lincoln. Here we go. Change the aerial over.
Subar Fire Station, 1848 India Romeo 040. Thank you, Anytone.
Yeah. Yeah, words fail me, mate, words fail me. There you go, it's receiving off frequency. It's certainly not very clever on receive on frequency. Yes, we have got a clarifier. But, you know, it's a brand new bloody radio. It should be on frequency really, shouldn't it? Mr. Jimmy Chong, tell your children to get these radios on frequency because they're disgusting, mate. Absolutely crap. RF gain. Bit stiff. Got more wood than I've got in the morning. Twiddle. See, I'm trying to turn the RF gain down. I'm pressing the bloody buttons. Oh, fuck's sake. I'm pressing everything. Oh, I've got mic gain down now. Clarifier. Oh shit. What have I done now? It's like this, right, mate. If you turn the RF gain down, it's not too bad, look. So there we go. We've got an RF gain problem straight away. You turn the RF gain down, that turns the bloody mic gain down as well. Oh yeah, that's a load of shit. So yeah, that's just a load of shit. You touch that and you twiddle, because you've got big fat fingers, look, big fat fingers. And, oh yeah, see, look, yeah. Can't show you, that's it. Right, look. You need to be a bloody midget, you know, you need to have little fingers like children to do these. I mean, look. You can't, you know, you try and you're doing all that. Imagine driving down the motorway at 125 miles an hour in your Reliant Robin, you know. DV27 on the roof going, meh. You know, you're doing this business and you're turning everything at the same time. Look. I've gained down and then I've changed channel and I've fucked my clarifier up. I might gain, it's crap. Turn it up, look, and the bloody needle's going mad again. Check. Let's see if I can get him, shall we? It does loads of power, mate, loads of power. About 20 watts I think it does. We're on full power. 595. Hello, this is Simon the Blzzard. This is Simon the Blzzard. I am doing a video for YouTube. Video for YouTube. Do you copy me? Over. Oh. Oh. Hello, this is Simon the Blzzard. Simon the Blzzard. I am doing a radio report on the President Lincoln 2 for my viewers on YouTube. Hello? Simon the Blzzard 0007. Simon the Blzzard. It's changing frequency. What frequency is meant to be on there a minute ago? It's changed frequency, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm disgusted, mate. I am really terrible, disgusted. So anyway, first impressions. Yeah, my mate said to me, he said, this is a radio you'd really like to buy and put it in your collection and have no fear of ever wanting to use it, because I certainly wouldn't want to use it. It's too fiddly, the echo is shit, what we on? Oh, bloody hell, I'm back on triple. Yeah, it's too fiddly, up needle, look at that look. Unstable, you know, it's AM sounds same as FM. AM, oh balls. AM, not a great deal of difference, is there really? Just like a tone increase. Oh, I've also noticed, well, this is a brand new radio, look. Oh, there you go. That is a bulb out already. Brand new radio, bulb is out. Roger Bleep, channel 9. Channel 919, I mean, really? I don't know. Indicators, they haven't got no headlights or anything on it. Tells you the voltage, which is bloody wrong, because my power supply is actually 13.8 volts. I turn the power up, press indicator again, 15.2, it's not, that's 15, so, you know, that doesn't read very well. An indicator, that's all it does, shows you, oh, it's 13.1 now, just shows you that. It doesn't show you SWR, doesn't show you modulation like on the old Lincolns, which was very good, because I used to like that. I used to shout down and go, oh yeah, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so that's crap. Echo, crap. RF power, 20 watts, yeah, crap. Controls, oh sorry, back here, look. Controls, them controls there, very, very fiddly. Clarifier, yeah, you need to use it, mate, because it rigs off frequency. Span control is on this button here, which is very, very good. Again though, like on that one, if you go too far you've got to go back again and keep dicking about with that. Memory channels, it's got a Vox on it as well, you know, Vox. So you can press that button in there. Hola, hola. And you can kill the microphone without pressing the mic in, look, watch it. Hello? 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 So it can be very, very good when you're driving down the road talking to people, and you can be sounding like Norman Collier because it kicks in and out, in and out, in and out. But there are settings for that. You've got here, look, a very, very good feature there, look. Yeah, you got a 10 kilohertz button. So if you're on 545 or 535 or 555 and I press that button and hold it in, it goes up the next channel, which I can do by just doing that anyway, which is bloody pointless. Oh shit, I'm on the wrong band now. What band have I gone on to? Oh, actually that's the band, isn't it, mate? What a twat. Oh shit, I buggered it. There you go. So, you know, why would you want a 10kc button when it's a VFO lot? You know, it's another stupid addition to a crap radio. So really, as the radio, look at it now. Look, President Lincoln 2. So I'll sum it up anyway. Scan, don't need it. Dual watch, don't need it. Noise blanket anal switch. Well, it was on anyway, so I don't really need it. High cut, that's just a puffy tone control. Doesn't make a great deal of difference. Echo, crap, don't need it. Roger beep. Yeah, doesn't make any tunes, doesn't go beep beep or anything like that, so it's a bit pointless really. Just single, normal, like the old Lincoln, job's a good one. Channel 919 switch, don't need it, irrelevant. Indicator showing me voltage. Well, if it's not working, it's turned off, then I'd assume that I've got no bloody voltage to it. Yeah, it's a bit obvious really, isn't it? Lights up, I've got voltage. Doesn't light up, no voltage. Don't need to be told, do I? Not rocket science. Channels up and down. I think they just put them there to, you know, fill in the plastic. I mean, they could have put one down here as well. You know, down there, look. They could have put something there. They could have put something in there. I mean, you know, Anytone, what was you doing? I mean, really, come on. You put, you know, up-down buttons. Why? Why? We're going to use a VFO. No one's going to sit there doing that business, are they? They're going to do that all the time. You know, I mean, look. Right, I want to do that. Oh, you know, stupid. Memories. Yeah, okay, mate. Yeah, I like memories. Yeah, don't know what we're doing with the memories. Vox, bit pointless. CTCSS, mainly for the 10 metre band. I think that is for them amateur people. Amateurs, you know, when they go on the 10 metre repeaters and stuff. Yeah, so again, another pointless addition for CB then, really. Split frequencies, again, crap. To be honest, it's crap, really. Anyway, CB shop. Where it was bought from. I bet old Dougie in there smiling today after knowing he sold another one. He's thinking there's another sucker out there, £250 lighter. Alright Dougie mate, how you going? Miserable sod. Anyway, on the back you've got Vox. I don't know. Extension speaker, a PA socket, because you're going to have a big speaker in under your bonnet of your car and you're going to go around abusing the people on the pavement. CW key, because you're going to be driving around in your mobile going beep 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 beep. There, look, that's better fire. There, look. Extension speaker, PA, CW key. As you can see closely, with this little pointing device, the CW key fits really well. There, look. Can you see the hole, the gap around the edge there? There's the edge, look. That's good, that is, isn't it? That's expertly fitted. They've been drilled out and fitted professionally, so that CW does actually fill the hole in quite well. Data, I don't know. Yeah, it's just crap. I tell you the power, but it's 20 watts. Doesn't do a great deal on AM. Yeah, it does about 10 watts on AM. It's got no swing at all. So that's crap. You turn the power down and you give it some welly, and it's got no swing at all. The limiter is too fierce. The limiter kicks in and cuts your power down straight away, so that's crap. Generally, save your money. Buy yourself an old Lincoln, or a bloody Cobra 148, or I don't know really. You know, anything's better than this piece of shit, really. Multimode 2 probably received better. In fact, you got more chance of multimode 2 being on frequency. So it's pathetic. I'm going on to AM. PM, I mean, band am I on? Let's go these bands. Oh, pissing out. It's a little bit low. 28, 29, 29, 27. I mean, come on, 27, 27, 26, 28. Oh, hold on a minute. 26, 28. Oh, there's somebody then. Oh, hold on. 20, 25, 28, 29, 29, 27, 27, 26, 28, 26. Oh, the bloody piece of pissing crap. No, it's a piece of crap. I don't know, I just microphone's alright. I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted with President for making a piece of crap like this. How they can dare put the name on it, I don't know. Just goes to show you that President are no longer paying a decent manufacturer to make decent radios anymore, because if it did, it'd be better. But you get what you pay for, I suppose. I'd probably go out and get the President grant too, to be honest. It's probably made by another company altogether and probably is a lot better. So anyway, that was my my video introducing you to the Lincoln 2. I have been Simon the Blzzard. You will catch me in March's edition of the Woman's Realm and Woman's Weekly, which I shall be talking about hemorrhoids and facial hair for ladies over the age of 50. And I will be on the phone to another radio company in the next couple of weeks and try and blag another radio out for free, which I will of course big up and claim it's the best thing since sliced bread, and it's going to be a President Lincoln beta killer, President Grant killer, Anytone killer. If you're driving down the road using one of these, it'll be a human killer, because you'll end up crashing, because this, you know, fucking I'll turn it off again. There you go, President Lincoln 2, available now by all unreputable dealers. If you have the misfortune to ever own one, or even look at one, I do suggest you seek some sort of medical attention afterwards, psychiatric attention if you actually own one. Enjoy President Lincoln 2. They should really change the name. You know, stick President Obama on it, 'cause that's fucking useless as well.